Grab the attention. Do you want to start make money online with your mobile phone? No laptop, no experience needed. You can start today and earn real money online. Use text on screen, earn money online with just your phone. Most people think they need a laptop, money, or special skill to make money online, but that is not true. You can start in just your phone and an internet connection. The easier way to start is affiliate marketing. This means you don't need your own product. You simply share a link, and when people buy through your link, you earn money instant. You can promote a digital product, phone accessories, or online courses, and it works for beginner. On screen, step 1, get link. Step 2, share link. Step 3, in commission. So like and share our video. Please like and subscribe, because here is how you start. I will give you a link that you can promote. Share the link with your friends or online. Every time someone buy or join you in money. It is simple, fast, and you can do it from anywhere, even from your phone. Show graphic of links going from phones money. If you want to get your link and start make money online today, click my WhatsApp link in the description and send me a message saying start, and I will guide you step by step. Don't wait. You can start in today. Show text on screen, click WhatsApp link now, message start.